Hello everyone, welcome back to Native American Beauty with Alice, where I promote Avon products for today's Native American woman. However, keeping in mind that Avon is for everyone. So yeah, I just thought I would do a quick unboxing of an Avon order. Um, so Avon has been having some issues with their shipping due to them doing their reconstruction of their warehouse. And so this was ordered some time ago. And so I just wanted to share it with you real quick. They're having a sale on Candid perfume. It's on sale for $9.99. Of course, I had to get that. And then they have the Timeless set here, and I think that was for $17.49, I believe. And then I got some Candid arm deodorant, the roll-on. I know some women aren't crazy about the liquid roll-on, but I don't know. By the time I'm done putting on my makeup, it's dry for me, so I don't mind it at all. I got some Skin So Soft soap. Well, you already know I'm crazy about baths, and I have to have my Skin So Soft bar soap. And with that, I have the Skin So Soft facial bar, and it's called the Collagen and Goat Milk, and it's a facial bar. And let's see, what does it say? So it has collagen, goat milk. It's a major component of skin structure known to provide plumpness and elasticity. And then goat milk, known to be a good source of vitamin A, B, and minerals, with zinc and selenium, which helps contribute to overall skin health. So when I take my bath, I actually leave my facial soap on my face and my shampoo on my head for about 5 minutes, and then I rinse off. So yeah. It also came with the most current catalog, and we have the Goodbyes catalog. They have last year's Christmas items for sale, some of the fine jewelry, the men's jewelry, some of the Valentine jewelry that they had. Yeah, they're real cute sets, aren't they? Then they have like the hairpins, the scarf, the Christmas socks. They have a headband. They have a fashion cape. Some purses here that are really cute for the upcoming fall season. And then we also have our slippers, the pearl slippers. Aren't those pretty? They got sapphire blue, green, and magenta. And our Scottish dog slippers. This is called Space Dye slippers. And then they have the French cat there. They have our pajamas on sale. Oh, just some clothing. Some really neat stuff. More sweaters. And our bath products are on sale. Fingernail polish from last New Year's. And of course, the shampoos and conditioners. I used this today with this. And I have to say, I noticed that my hair was not so flyaway I was really impressed with it. And like I said, when I take a bath, I leave it on for about 5 minutes, and then I rinse it off, and then I put my conditioner in. And this is called the Cherry and Blossom conditioner. And look at these prices. They're only $2.49. I haven't tried the Argan and Castor conditioner as of yet, but I did like the Rosemary Sea Salt shampoo, which volumizes your hair. So yeah. So I just wanted to give a quick update. I think this is actually one of my first unboxing I've done on video. So yeah, boy, you can't have enough Timeless, right? The Timeless perfume. Oh, I gotta tell you something real quick. When I ordered it for the first time for myself, I sprayed Timeless on me, and I said, this is it. This, oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I'm not just saying that to sell it. It sells itself. It's so beautiful. And you know, I just love Candid so much. It is my favorite. So, but yeah, I mean, you can't beat that, $9.99. Like I said, these would make really great stocking stuffers for Christmas. Yeah. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you, and I hope you have a good evening, and talk to you soon. Bye.